Have you ever held a brand new phone and wondered, why doesn't this feel quite right? That's exactly the reaction some people had when they checked out Samsung's new Galaxy Z Fold 7 in stores. From a distance, it looks beautiful super, slim, premium materials, lighter than its predecessor. But then you open it and suddenly something feels off. Several hands-on impressions from stores are reporting one strange thing. The Fold 7 doesn't open all the way flat. Now that might not sound like a big deal at first, but when you're talking about a phone that costs nearly 2,000 United States dollars, every detail matters. Let's break it down. According to the reports, some demo units on display are showing a slight angle in the middle like the phone isn't fully unfolding. Some users even said it seemed misaligned when closed, like the two halves weren't matching up perfectly. Now before we panic, there's context. Demo units are handled constantly opened and closed all day long, sometimes by hundreds of people. That wear and tear can mess with any device, even one rated for 200,000 folds like this one. So maybe the hinge is just worn out in those particular phones. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung's big change this year is the all-new hinge, called the Armor Flex hinge. It's made with stronger aluminum and designed to be both thinner and more durable. And guess what? It really is thinner. This is Samsung's slimmest foldable ever. But with that thinness comes another problem: less surface area to grip when you're opening the phone. A few hands-on testers said that opening the Fold 7 actually takes more effort, not because the hinge is stiff, but because the body is slimmer and harder to get a firm hold on. Samsung reps reportedly explained that the tighter feel was expected, especially early on, but let's be honest, when you're holding a brand new phone that costs more than a high-end laptop, you don't expect to fight with it just to open it. The good news, this might not be an issue with actual retail units. The phones shipping after July 25th may behave differently than the demo models. It's possible the ones in stores were opened so many times that the hinge started acting up. Or maybe it's just a matter of users not being familiar with the new design yet. Still, this has sparked debate. Is Samsung pushing too hard to make their foldables thinner at the cost of practicality? Because yes, a slim design looks great, but if it means users have to struggle every time they open it, that's not ideal. And what if this issue turns out to be more than just a demo unit problem? Would Samsung risk backlash over foldables that don't feel premium enough in daily use? It wouldn't be the first time a foldable phone ran into hinge-related issues. Just ask anyone who remembers the early Galaxy Fold launches. We'll know more once the Fold 7 reaches people's hands later this month. For now, though, it's a reminder that even high-end phones can run into unexpected hiccups. Design changes are great, but only if they actually improve the experience. So what's your take? Would a slightly stiffer or misaligned hinge bother you enough to skip the Fold 7? Or are these just teething issues for a brand new design? Drop your thoughts below, and if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with more tech insights made simple.